When I wake up this morning, a little miracle happened. Minä puhun suomea.
Wow!
Mutta first thing first, shopping. No niin, let's go. Ja ainekset ovat Basmati riisi, kanelitanko, cardamom, neilikka ja cumin. Oh, I actually forgot what we're cooking today. We are doing my favorite world's best rice recipe. 1 kuppi riisiä ja huudellaan. Ja sitten 1 sipuli. No niin, ja sitten oil. I don't have any idea what oil is in Finnish. Ja sitten sipuli. Ruskistetaan. Lisätään riisi. Ja vähän suolaa. Ja sitten lisätään vesi. Keittää 10 minuuttia. Ja haudutaan. Valmis! Suomen! Time to taste! Hyvää! Actually, the special rice fits perfectly well with salmon. Can be as well with chicken, but they're like a perfect combination. This is actually the world's best rice, as in my recipe. But I'll tell you a secret. I actually stole this recipe when I ate once upon a time in a Hamburg restaurant. It is somehow Oriental, Middle Eastern, whatever they call it. And I made massive research about how to do it and finally perfected it one day and shared it to family and friends, and they love it. Enjoy!